How to check for WhatsApp updates. To get started, first of all, open up the App Store on your phone. Now, you need to go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. Here, you can search for games, apps, stories, and more. Go to the search bar and type in WhatsApp. After that, tap on WhatsApp Messenger to open it. Here, you need to tap on the update button as shown to keep WhatsApp up to date. So wait for it to update, and if it's already updated, you will get to see the open option. So after it's done updating, tap on Open as shown. You have now successfully updated WhatsApp. So by following these simple steps, you can go ahead and easily check for WhatsApp updates. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.